So you can set up a website for free without spending any money using canva.com. Okay, let me walk you through the information they need to know, especially setting up a website. Okay, as you can see, what will you design today? You can see Facebook posts, video posts, invoice sheet, doc, whiteboard, and the rest of them. So let's get to the business of the day, which is to create a website. So once you click on to create a website, it opens up. Once it opens up, the aspect that you will need to set up a template that you desire to set up this website will come up as fast as possible. Mind you, this very website we're talking about right now, you can use it to create any website you can think of, a whole lot of them. Whether you're a business business person, whether you're a real estate agent, whether you're a copyright personnel, whether you're a seller, whether you're a hair vendor, just name it. Even if you want to set up your own personalized website for your own personal branding, you can make this happen using Canva. So let's get into the detail. As you can see, there are several templates. Even a wedding website, a wedding template is here. You can see headphone template. Okay, there are many of them. As you can see, this one is a pro version. So let's go to the one that is a bit free. Let's go to the one that is a bit free. So as you can see, the website has come on. The website has come up. As you can see, the website has come up. Every bit of it is up. So as you can see, the contact section with phone numbers, email, and socials. Let's go to the top part. I need this to come. The reviews shouldn't be at the top. So this is I need this to go to the top. This one looks like this looks like so you can put the templates where you want them to be. Okay, the one that you want to be at the top will be at the top. The one you want to be at the bottom will be at the bottom. Something like reviews should come a little bit down. About page is where this one should be up. This one should be a little bit up immediately after the first section. So as it is now, you can change this very aspect to your desired name. This is workouts and exercises. I can change it to workouts and jogging. Okay, so you go ahead and change other things as much as possible. This is learn more. You can put a link here, a link that will take the person to maybe to your WhatsApp, to integrate this very link to your WhatsApp. Okay, you can add the link here. Let's see. Let's see if it is doable. Link aspect, if you want to integrate this very link to your website, to your WhatsApp account or any other place you want to connect it with, so you just have to click on it. That is, you right click. Once you right click, you click on link. You now be able to paste. Let's say it is a Facebook something. You want to link it to your Facebook or you want to link it to your WhatsApp. Okay, you can do it like this. You link it to your Facebook. Once you link it, you put it as a link and say done. Okay, the link has entered. So you continue your designs, continue your changing of the template. You can actually change this template from can actually change the color of the template, the writings, maybe to something more friendlier to you. You can change this to white. And change this to white, but the thing is that if you change it to white, you now need to change other things as well. So let's just do some changes. So this one is not as I wanted, so just do your changes as you wish. Okay, do your changes as you wish. Change these things as it pleases you. So let's not let the video not get too long. Okay, come here as well, right click, put in whatever the design you want to put in. When you right click, you can align it to the left to become here, which is this one is not too fine, so being in the center is still better off. I can change it to change the color to white. White is better. I can increase the size of the font so it will be more visible to the eyes. Can drag it like this to make it more visible. Okay, you go ahead for reviews. People, the reviews more or less like testimonials, what people said about your website, what they think about your website. You can put in more information that they said, put in the person's name as you wish. Okay, I can change this one to my name is Ebuka, Chukwu Ebuka. So I can write it. I've changed the name. I can equally change the color so it will be more visible. Okay, and increase the font size. So that is it. It just continue. You can just add as much information as possible. Change this picture if you wish. If you don't want it, you edit the picture. You get to remove the picture. You can increase the picture, you can reduce the picture. Okay, so these are the ways you can add one or two things into this very picture. You can remove the picture entirely. You can place your own picture inside there. You can change the size. This is how you can change the size. Okay, this one as well, you can change the information that is written here, increase or decrease the size. You can change the font of the letters. This is how you can change the font of the letters. Put the letter, the information, the type of font you prefer. Okay, I've changed the font as before. You can also change this wellness tips. I can change it to maybe wellness information, wellness info. Okay, so once I'm done with all this, once you are equally done with all this, you can put in your phone number at the bottom here. I can put in my phone number 68179727. Yes, so I put my phone number. You can even put in your Facebook links, your socials. Once you're done with all this, what you do now at the end of the whole design, let me change this to white. White is a bit finer. Then I'll increase the size. Okay, so once I'm done with all this, what I'll now do next is to now click on publish. Once I click publish, the website goes online. I get to have an automatic I get to have an automatic what do they call it, URL. I get to have an automatic URL. Everything gets arranged, and if I type it online, the website will come out. So let's see the preview. Before I stop the whole video. So this is the preview. This is how the website is out. Okay, congratulations to you that gets to try this out. Okay, this is how the website looks like now. So you can use this website for for anything, to run your ads, to do drop shipping, to do marketing, to do one page advert. Okay, you can use this website to do any sort of business you want to do online. The only difference is that the domain name is not custom made. Domain name is not custom name, but as far as being online, anybody can visit this website anywhere, anytime, whether in the night, whether in the morning. You can set up an e-commerce website with this. You can set up a vendor business with this. You can set up your small business that is on one corner of the street online using this very Canva template. Okay, so well done. If you've not subscribed to our channel, click like and subscribe. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.